and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we saw how we can create new pages on our website. If you've not seen that video, you can click the link in description. In this video we'll see how we can install plugins in WordPress. Now, what is a plugin? In simple words, a plugin enhances or extends the functionality of your website. For example, if you want to play a video on your phone but you don't have a video player installed, then you won't be able to play that video. You'll first have to go to Play Store and install any video player, and then you'll be able to play that video. Now this video player will become a part of your operating system until you remove it from your system again. The plugins work in the same way. You install a relative plugin that is meant to achieve that functionality, and that plugin then becomes a part of your website until you remove it from your website again. Now one more thing, that the plugins are domain restricted, or you can say unifunctional. They perform a specific task that they are meant to be designed for. What I mean to say is you cannot use a video player to edit your photos. For that you'll have to install a photo editor separately. This means that the more functionality you need, the more plugins you add. This concept will be more clear in the upcoming videos when we'll install multiple plugins for multiple functionalities. For now, just keep in mind that for bigger websites, sometimes we need hundreds of plugins to achieve what we need. So let's head to our computer screens to see how we can install a plugin. Okay, we are at our WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins tab. Currently we don't have any plugins installed. There are some plugins that are already installed by WordPress, but for this video I have removed all those plugins. Click on Add New. Here, just like we saw while installing themes, you have some tabs. In Feature tab you have some featured plugins. You can click the title of any plugin to know its details. Here you can find the description of this plugin, an installation guide, a change log from its previous version, and its reviews. You can click install now from here, or just cross it and click install now. You'll find its current active installations and how many reviews this plugins have got, and you'll find a check that if this plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. You'll install this by clicking this install now button. Head to the popular tab, and in this tab you'll find some popular plugins. These are recommended plugins by WordPress, and just like themes, you have a favorites tab here. You can add your favorite plugins for future use. You can also search a plugin if you know its name from here. Let's search for a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a website builder plugin. I will not discuss the functionality of this plugin and what this plugin has in it. We'll just stick to the topic of how to install any plugin. You can click on the title for details, as I said earlier. Click install now. The installation process takes just a few seconds. Okay, the installation is finished. Click on activate to activate this plugin. Now in the installed plugins tab under plugins, you will have all the plugins listed that are installed on your website. Okay, another feature here is that if you don't need any plugin, you can deactivate that plugin, but it will not be removed from your system. It will still be there and you can reactivate it if you need it again. Click on deactivate, skip and deactivate. Now this plugin still exists in your system but is not active. It has no influence of any kind on our website until we activate it again. We can delete it permanently from our website by clicking this delete button. Now we have some more tabs that are automatically created. In the old tab, all the active and inactive plugins will be listed. In the inactive tab, all the plugins that are inactive will be listed. Let's install another plugin to understand these tabs more better. Click on add new. Okay, let's install any random plugin from here. Let's say we install this classic editor. Click install now. Okay, installation is finished. Click activate. Now we have another tab. In the old tab, we have all the active and an inactive plugin. In active tab, we'll have all the active plugins, and in inactive tab, we'll have inactive plugins. You can deactivate these plugins and delete them permanently from your system. Now this plugin is successfully deleted. Another method of how we can install new plugins is that we upload the new plugins from our computer. Click add new, click upload plugin, click choose file, locate where your plugins are present. Let's say I install this plugin, multi-step form, and click install now. Okay, the plugin has been activated. Click activate plugin and it will redirect you back to your plugins tab. And now we have this new plugin added. We can deactivate and delete it just as I explained earlier. Okay, that was all about how plugins are installed, activated, deactivated, and removed from your website. Let me know if you have any questions regarding plugins. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you can get notified of any new video uploaded. That was all. See you in the next video.